In this video, let me show you how to prepare a healthy and delicious breakfast. My chocolate chia seeds pudding parfait cup with homemade strawberry yogurt and cinnamon nut granola. It is delicious and it is healthy. What's up, Polite Sky community? I'm back with a different twist for my recipes. Why? Because after the end of 2021, the whole family got sick. It wasn't COVID because all our tests came out negative, but OMG, all the symptoms we had were similar of COVID. Among the three of us, I was the worst one and the longest one to recover. It took me a total of 20 days. After studying and researching why some people got sick quickly and worse than others, there are multiple reasons why. In my case, my immune system has weakened. Why? Because prior to this incident, the nature of my work was so stressful. I was stressed back and forth between nursing home facility, assisting my 94-year-old mom, between the facility and the dialysis center. I didn't have enough sleep. I wasn't paying attention to the quality and quantity of foods I eat. My sugar level was spiking to the roof. My high blood pressure was uncontrollable and my cholesterol level was high. And also maybe it has something to do with aging. With the existing conditions, I've been taking my maintenance medication for the last 12 years and it seems that is not helping me. You see, based on the studies, when you're taking this medication for an extended period of time, there will be side effects to your organs. They damage your liver and kidney. Before it became too late, I thought I needed to do something to control these diseases naturally. So I decided to change my lifestyle by focusing on healthy living, using this channel to document my learning and my experiences, hopefully to inspire others. Healthy living for me means focusing on the following. Number one, control the quality and quantity of food I intake by changing my diet into healthy keto using organic ingredients. Number two, practice intermittent fasting. Number three, exercise regularly. Number four, visit my doctors on time. Number five, do the lab test consistently. Number six, make sure to have straight 8 hours of sleep. Number seven, testing sugar 2 times periodically a day. Number 8, taking blood pressure reading twice a day. Number 9, have time with family activities and vacation getaways. And the last is make sure that I have a stress-free environment. So let me start my healthy living by sharing with you my first keto recipe for breakfast. There are 3 components to prepare, so let's start with the chia pudding. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of organic coconut milk and 1/2 cup of almond milk. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, add 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup or monk fruit, and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix them until they blend. You may use your blender if you prefer. Then add the chia seeds, the real superfood. It is high in protein, omega-3, and fiber. Now, add the third part of the chia seeds. Whisk well, then repeat the process. Add remaining seeds and keep on whisking. The deal is to whisk for about 30 seconds, put it to the side, and let it rest for about 3 minutes and whisk it again. Alexa, set the timer for 3 minutes. When it's done, put it in the fridge for 3 to 5 hours. Now let's make the second component, the strawberry yogurt. Add 1 cup of strawberry in a small pot or pan. Grab 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice and add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or monk fruit or other alternative sweeteners. Then mash the strawberry while heating on the pot for 7 minutes. In a bowl, put 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. Then add the strawberry jam. And look at this beautiful color. Let's set this aside and start our third component. The cinnamon nut granola. Add 1/3 cup of each chopped pecans and walnuts to a pot with some coconut oil. Put 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, tiny pinch of salt, add 1.5 tablespoon of maple syrup or monk fruit, give a nice mix, and take off from the heat. Now check it out before assembling them. With a cute mason jar, start with a layer of chocolate chia seed pudding on the bottom. Then heat it with some strawberry yogurt. Add another layer of chia seed pudding, a bit more strawberry yogurt. Now top it with cinnamon nut granola. Super yummy! I put the link of the recipe down below and try it. You won't regret it. Also, please leave me a comment or suggestion on what following recipe I should prepare next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a happy, healthy living.